Hello everyone, look what I've been up to. For the past 3 weeks I've been planting up containers. I have some bulbs in the back, some purple coneflowers, some Nephofia, I have some Liatris and some calla lilies. Also, I had a friend from Gardening with Kids, Shelley Haefner, sent over some seeds to me and I planted up those seeds also. You need to go check out her channel. She has a beautiful garden. But anyway, my zinnias are popping up. My sunflower is starting to sprout. Nothing yet from the Mexican sunflower. But if you can see that little tiny sprout, that's my white salvia, my hummingbird white salvia. So excited. Coreopsis is coming up, and also my milkweed.